is my husband, Burian.
Nice to meet you. I worked for the Médecins Sans Frontières.
You're a doctor?
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
Holland. You should come and visit us.
Goede informatie.
Hvad er det værste, der kan ske?
Sorry for the mess. Oh, it's nothing. It's gonna get much worse.
Hi, Abel.
Abel has some difficulty speaking. He has what you call congenital aglossia, meaning basically he's born without a tongue. This is the life. Huh?
It's good that we have a doctor in the house.
I'm not a doctor.
But didn't you say you were a doctor?
Did I? Oh, I lied.
You lied?
Jeg tror ikke, jeg synes, det er så rart at være.
Der er halvanden dag tilbage, det overlever du nok.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So many things have felt so wrong. Because we do things differently.
Mor, jeg er bange.
Ja, nu mor er, så kan der ikke ske der noget med det. Jeg vil gerne hjem. Jeg vil gerne hjem nu.
It truly breaks my heart to hear that you haven't enjoyed your stay.